Tired of routine tasks? Interested in automating the processes of sending, copying, uploading, and printing auto-generated invoices? Febooti Automation Workshop can help. First, click the New Task button in the main program window and select File and Folder Watcher from the Triggers list. Next, specify the folder in which the invoices are created. Go to the Conditions tab and select Watch for New Files. The trigger is ready. Now, let's add the actions that the task will perform. Automation Workshop supports more than 100 different actions. In this case, we want to deliver the copy to a backup location. To copy the invoice we have just found, simply use the variable wizard. Select the trigger you created earlier, and then set the backup location on the storage server. Now, you need to add an action that automatically sends an email with the file to the sales department. Create an email template, then click on the variable wizard button and select Attachment. You can add many actions to the task. For example, there's an Upload File action, which allows you to upload the file to your business partner FTP server in a different physical location. Use the variable wizard, select the trigger we created earlier, and enter the path on the server. Then, add an address and the user credentials of your server. Another useful action allows a third-party application to process the file. Click Start Program or Application and enter the path of the program. The last step is to automatically print the invoice. To print the file, add the Print File action and simply use the variable wizard. Enter the name of the task and finish creating it. All done! The task is up and running. Now, as soon as the new invoice reaches the tracked folder, it will automatically be copied to another computer, sent to the sales department, uploaded to the FTP server, launched using the specified program, and printed out. Learn more about Automation Workshop and download the trial version at Febooti.com.